Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm really excited to collaborate with my favorite brand Shan Foods, and I'm going to show you how I make a very easy and delicious recipe of veg biryani. For that I'm going to use Shan Foods special Bombay Biryani mix. So let's get cooking. The ingredients I need to make veg biryani are: I'll be using Shan Bombay Biryani masala. Along with that I'm going to use Shan ginger garlic paste. Other ingredients I need are onions, tomatoes, a bowl of peas, green beans, some carrots and potatoes, cauliflower, yogurt and garam masala. And here I've got 3 cups of long grain rice soaked. Here I've got water, and in water I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, garam masala. So here I've got bay leaf, some star anise, cloves and cinnamon stick, and I'm gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and let the water boil. Now you can see that rice are partially cooked. At this point I'm going to drain the water. Now we are going to start cooking the veg masala. So for that I'm taking oil, so it's around half a cup of oil, and next goes in the onions. So here I've got 2 sliced onions. I'm going to golden brown the onions. As you can see, the onions are golden brown. At this point I'm going to add garam masala, and just after a minute I'm going to be adding the tomatoes. So here I've got 3 chopped tomatoes. And next I'm adding Shan ginger garlic paste. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a good mix and then let it cook. Okay, let's see. So the onion and tomato paste is ready. At this point I'm going to add in the carrots and potatoes. And Shan Bombay Biryani masala. So I'm going to use around 70% of this spice mix. I'm also going to add a small bowl of yogurt. Mix it well. And next I'm adding is green beans, cauliflower, and I'm gonna let it cook until they are 50% done. I'm going to add some salt, so that would be around half to 1 teaspoon according to your taste. Mix it well. And then I'm going to let it cook until the veggies are done. After a few minutes I'm also adding a bowl of peas, and then cover and let it cook until the veggies are done. Okay, the masala is ready, and now I'm gonna do the layering of biryani. Now I'm going to start layering the biryani. So the first layer is going to be veg masala, and the second layer is going to be rice, I'm going to repeat the layer of veg masala again. and the next layer is going to be rice. Now I'm going to put some lemon wedges, coriander, mint and green chilies. And lastly, I'm going to add the orange color and some Kora water.